welcome to my channel. I love today's topic. It's one of my most favorite things to teach clients about or work with students, and that is product photography for e-commerce and a subscription box business. Before we jump into things, if you love this video and you're loving the tips I'm giving to you here, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All right guys, grab your coffee or grab your wine. This is gonna be an amazing video. So the importance of your product photos aren't important, they are essential. I cannot stress this enough that you have to have absolutely stellar and scroll stopping product photos. So here's the thing guys, great images will massively increase your sales. So you wanna really treat this part with some respect for your business. Product photography is going to get people to stop, look at your products. High quality images are going to increase your perceived value for your products. When people are scrolling through advertisements, social media, Instagram, everything is a very saturated space online. And so you want people to be able to stop on your product. It's also going to get people to want to buy from you. It's going to, again, increase the consumer's perceived value of your product because your images look amazing. So they're gonna think your product even looks a lot better. And it's also gonna help evoke massive emotion. So people are visual, right? People remember more of what they see than they read. So photos will explain your product through the imagery. And so on the flip side, what do low quality photos do? Your images for your products are low quality. People are gonna scroll right past your images, right? They're not even gonna stop and look. So you've lost your audience right there. Low quality images are also going to decrease the perceived value of your product. You work so hard on creating this amazing product and then people will just think your product is crap. They're also gonna X right out of your website. So if you have bad product photography, that is the fastest way for people to leave and bounce your website. Here are some tips for taking amazing product photos. One tip, use smiling humans. Lifestyle content, so people using your products in real life situations are always going to convert so much better than anything else. So lifestyle will always win. Use people in your images that your ideal customer will connect with. So say you have a kids cooking company. You want to have an image of kids around an island in a kitchen with the cookie packets and the aprons. They're looking like they're having fun. That's going to sell more than like a white background image with like a cookie box, right? So lifestyle will always convert better. And then we're gonna walk through just the few types of photos that you need for your business. So if you have a product business, you need flat lay photos. You wanna have lifestyle photos. You wanna have creative product shots. So like branded boxes or branded packaging. You also wanna have some of the clean white background shots. Those are great for your website. And then you wanna have product spotlights, so individual product shots. So how to take photos for yourself. So if you're looking for a few DIY tips, I'm just gonna walk through quickly a few ways you can do your own product photos. So one, you wanna have a good camera or a new iPhone. The new iPhones take amazing photos. So you can literally use your own camera and take amazing photos. Otherwise, I'm gonna recommend a really great camera that I actually use for my business. I'm gonna drop it in the notes below. If you have any kind of a digital camera, just use that, honestly. And then you wanna have backdrops. There are a lot of companies that make different types of backdrops, so like replica surfaces, and I'm gonna add a few links below. But honestly, if you have a subscription box or an e-commerce business and you want to just have an easy way to take your own photos, you can literally buy these little backdrop and photo surfaces and use great lighting. You put one end of the surface against your wall and you put one end on the ground, and you can take really great photos using little backdrops. And honestly, it's a really easy way to take your own photos if you don't have a high budget. Other ways are getting white boxes from Amazon. So you can get a little white photo box and put your product in there and take a great white background photo. Another option is for, especially if you have a clothing brand, something like a mock-up photo. So there's a brand called Pretty Little Mockups, I believe they're called. They have all these different types of images with really cool photography, and you basically use Canva to add your design of your t-shirt or your sweatshirt and you plop it on the photo and it looks very real. So the biggest thing I can say about product photography is product photos are everything. They're what's going to get people to buy your product. So this is the part where you really want to take seriously for your business and invest in your business. So if you feel like you're not someone that can do product photos on your own, then you want to find a photographer. Find a photo or brand photographer that can do your photos for you, and at least it gets you something. But people will pay more money for your products when they feel like your products are valuable and worth more. And to get your products to be worth more in terms of a consumer, product photography is gonna make them want to buy more. Make sure you look into this and up-level your product photography. So again, I'll add all the links below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which one of these you're gonna do for your business. Are you gonna do photo backdrops? Are you gonna do the Amazon white box? Which one are you gonna do for your business? Let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, see you next week. Bye guys.